need when you create a bended or round shaped water wall. As you can see here in the background, we have built a stainless steel water wall which has these exits at the top, and the distance between those should be around 30 centimeter and not more than 40 centimeter. I would say maximum 50 centimeter, because the bigger the distance is, the more water you need coming out of one of these, and then it doesn't look nice. And the diameter of these holes should be 25 millimeter inside. So if you have a hose, the hose should have 25 millimeter inside, or if you use a pipe or a stainless steel pipe, then you should have 25 millimeters inside. And what I'm planning at the moment is a similar bended water wall here around the corner, and I will have the welded pipes here at the back. I'm using welded pipes because I don't want any leaks, so I will weld it and then I will seal it, because this area at the back will not be accessible anymore. And then the question would be how many. So the first hole I would put here 10 centimeter distance to the side, because if I would put it here at the end of or at the beginning of the water wall, then I would create a stream which creates high pressure here at the edge, and then we would get dry areas here at the sides. This is why you want to have minimum 10 centimeter distance here at the side, so that once the water gets out, the pressure and the stream will be distributed in two directions, to the left and to the right, and then we get a higher pressure at the side, and this helps us covering the side with a little bit more water, because we want to have the side dry, and we don't want to have the V effect which creates dry areas at the side. So the first hole would be 10 centimeters from the corner at this side and also at this side. In this example, we would then have left 1.60 meter between these two holes. So if we make it a straight line, it would be 1.60 meter, and this we want to divide by 5 so that we can get another 4 outlets between those two first outlets at the sides, which brings us to a total number of 6 outlets. And now comes a special trick which I recommend for you, is that you make these outlets at the sides separately adjustable, because what you want to do is you want to be able to adjust the amount of water here at the sides so that the sides get covered and you don't get too much water at the sides. These other 4 outlets between those two at the sides, you don't have to regulate separately. You can have these by 2 T's like a deer horn, regulated by just one valve, because here between those two, this is not a critical area, but the area at the sides, those are critical, and those you want to be able to regulate separately. So I hope this helps. Let's take a look at our beautiful example. And please subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated in the future when I release new videos, tutorial videos. And if you need with your inner waterfall project, please contact me. I would be glad to support you. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon.